Hello and welcome to video number 7, the Super Affiliate Booster Ninja Trick number 2. This strategy surrounds finding where super affiliates hang out. One method is to look at affiliate contests and find out who's who among the super affiliates. So what you want to do is find a product that has an affiliate contest. The affiliate contest runs, and you want to make sure that you track it to the point that you're able to see who's who among the affiliate contest. So obviously make sure that the product that you're looking at is in the same niche as your own product. Certain places to look: jvnotifypro.com, JVZoo top sellers, and you can simply go to google.com and do a search for these keywords. jvnotifypro.com is a site that shows you affiliate contests and so forth. There's a lot of internet marketing type products, but if for those of you who do not have a internet marketing related product, JVZoo top sellers is another place to look, and they have a marketplace filled with non-internet marketing products as well as internet marketing products. So Google ClickBank contest is another strategy. If you go to Google and type in ClickBank contests for a specific niche, or Google JVZoo affiliate contests, or go to Google and type in your niche and type in that niche like tennis or weightlifting, bodybuilding affiliate contests for non-internet marketing niches. There's always contests going on, and your goal here is to pinpoint people who are promoting similar products as yours. The reason why I say similar products is because if they're promoting products that are similar to yours, then and they're doing well, then that means their list caters to that niche, and they are probably looking for similar products. Not exact same products, but similar products to that niche. Now, before you contact them, you want to do some due diligence. You want to sign up on their newsletter or buy their product. Buying their product, if they have a product, is definitely a plus, because it's easier to approach someone who has a product and you've purchased from them versus you have no relationship at all. And when you sign up on their list or buy their product, you can see firsthand how they email their list. You can get an idea of their relationship with their list. What do they promote often? How do they promote it? And that also can give you some ideas about what kind of affiliate bonuses you can provide for them. You can find some way of creating a connection with them before approaching them. If you can create that connection before you approach them, then you have a higher success rate of them saying yes. Now, when you contact them, here's a really cool technique that I use that works really, really well. Instead of writing them a long email, approach the super affiliate by making a video. Speak directly to them. Say their name and say, "Hey, so-and-so, I bought your product," and you can show them a receipt in your video if you want to do that, or the members area. You can say, "Hey, great product, I saw your members area, I love this part, blah blah blah, awesome job," and be genuine about it too. "By the way, I've got a launch on X product. I saw that you did well in X launch, which is a similar topic as mine. I'm making special bonuses on X topic for only a handful of affiliates to help you gain an edge in my launch, and wanted to see if you're interested." If they're interested from that point, they'll contact you. And I've had a lot of success with videos and emails. A lot of people receive emails, but videos is definitely something different. So you want to stand out and be different among and apart from everybody else. Obviously, put that into your own words or use your own twists. But in this case, if you realize it's similar to a joint venture offer, except you're taking it one step further, you're doing everything for them, and you're creating special bonuses for them. Now, don't get discouraged if they say no. It is what it is, and you move on to the next. And we've all had people say no to us. So don't take offense, just move on and think it is what it is. When I started without the strategy, I got over 20 no's before I hit a yes. But that one yes was all I needed to create a domino or snowball effect, where other super affiliates jumped on board. Well, with this strategy, you can actually get more yeses than nos, because you're actually producing a affiliate bonus for them. And having that in mind, and them knowing that they can have an advantage because you've created a affiliate bonus for them, they're most likely going to jump on board, being that they get that, plus they get commissions as well. So keep moving forward and you can do it.